And you have of course the AMG menu with the G-force boost. You can see the boost, the G meter. This is how the key looks like with the AMG logo and the 3D AMG logo at the back. It has 900 Nm of torque, 0 to 62 in just 3.5 seconds. You can see the beautiful LED headlight system with Swarovski crystals. It has the automatic high beam and the automatic corner lights. You have the Panamericana grille, vertical bars now, chrome bars. Looks fantastic. Great change. You have the 360 degrees camera system, radar for the cruise control. Behind the emblem you have the new AMG logo. In the front also different design to the AMG chrome parts, the A of AMG integrated in the lower front bumper. Looks fantastic. It looks very aggressive, classy and sporty at the same time. Fantastic looking car. The top speed is 300 km per hour, limited with the AMG drivers package. You have the 20-inch rims, chrome rims. These are also special for the AMG. It is the 4Matic Plus. This is the brand new facelift model. This car can go easily 330 km per hour without doubt. It is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo. Cameras underneath the mirrors, carbon trim on this car. We will look at the interior in a few moments. Ambient lighting. It has also the panoramic sunroof. Nappa leather is used in the interior with Alcantara. It has the 31.2 cm AMG cockpit display. At the back you have the brand new OLED technology. It looks superb. Amazing technology. Looks fantastic. Very cool view. I love it. You have the rear view camera, pops out of the emblem. You have the quad exhaust, new diffuser, finished in a glossy paint, and the chrome detail is also new. It has a AMG sports exhaust system with a great sound. I love this car. The best looking coupe in my opinion at the market. Now let's take a look at the driver's seat of this S63 4Matic Plus AMG. 64 colors for the ambient lighting, beautiful carbon trim. You have the heated armrests, dynamic and massage seats by the way, air scarf system. Lovely interior. Now you have the cooled seats, heated seats, the air scarf, and you can move the headrests. You have the 2-person memory seat, sunshade for the back. You have the leg extensions, beautiful Burmester 3D surround sound system, folding mirrors with the ambient lighting. This for the trunk lease, and I really like this carbon trim. It has massage in the seats, it has the dynamic seats. This also lit up, looks brilliant. And we are now in the driver's seat of the brand new S63 AMG 4Matic Plus. You have the beautiful new head-up display. You have the new steering wheel with the adaptive cruise control on it. And the swipe buttons. With the left one you can control this part. With the right one you can control this part, the command online system. I really like the carbon trim on this car. You have 64 colors for the ambient lighting. You have different displays. This is the classic. This is the sport, and this is the progressive. I like sport the most. And you can change the information on the right and left screen if you want. Fully loaded car. You can also buy it with the night vision. A lot of features. There's also the blind spot assist in the mirrors. You have the 3D AMG Afalterbach logo. This is heated. The armrest is heated. You have the wireless charging for the first time. USB inputs, SD card input. You can also open this like this. Very cool feature. You have the touchpad. You have the sports exhaust system, which is turned on now. Suspension settings, Sport Plus. You have the remote parking. For the first time it can automatically park. Seat settings, car settings, these are for the command online. These buttons are a little bit different. You can turn off the start stop, dynamic select. And here you have the cup holders. Climate control settings with its own menu. You can also buy it with the perfume system. It has also the ionization. Now here you have the seat adjustments, the driver seat, passenger seat, massage system. You have also an active workout. You can train the muscles. You have also the heating balance. You can only heat this part if you want, or the backrest only. Everything is adjustable. This is also new, the energizing comfort. You can train the muscles, relaxation, stimulation, or balance. Everything changes, the ambient lighting, the mood, the music, the climate control. Before I go on, the push button ignition, the start button is also changed. Looks fantastic now. It has the keyless entry and keyless start. For the energizing comfort you have different menus, training sessions, and the dynamic select. You can view different parts. This is brilliant. You can see the torque, the power, and the fluids. This is the vehicle data. This is also new, the G-force, and so on. Dynamic data. You can see the boost. The G meter. That looks also fantastic. And you can set up different things for the drive, transmission, suspension, and the exhaust system. Sports comfort. Let me turn on race. Race is also special to the AMG, of course. Most brutal sound is now turned on. And the track pace. This is only for the AMG and only for race tracks. So here you have the drag race mode. You can set up profiles, acceleration. You have also the launch control system on this car, of course. Quarter mile. Here are the driver profiles. You have also a lap timer, lap times, timing. Only for the AMG, and it looks very, very cool. Now the navigation, Very fast system, it looks fantastic. This is the main menu, by the way. Radio, car office, connect, Mercedes-Benz apps. You have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, internet, and the vehicle settings, the safety, the assistance. You have the traffic sign, camera and park, active brake, speed adjustment, attention assist, lane assist, change assist, blind spot monitoring, fully loaded. Light settings, you have the ambient lighting with 64 colors. You have also for the first time multi-colors. So and you can adjust the brightness zones separately by doing this. Very cool. And for the first time you can also add effects on this feature. And then you have the vehicle settings, belt adjustments and so on. It looks fantastic now, that's for sure. System settings, the different displays and styles, of course. I showed you the designs. This is Sport, Classic and Progressive, and so on. With this swipe button you can control the command online system, 12.3 inch, 12.3 inch, and with this you can control this instrument cluster, the widescreen cockpit. And you have the AMG performance menu with the G-force boost, and you have of course the AMG menu with the G-force boost meter. This is also new and it looks fantastic. You have the navigation system. You can adjust the height for the head-up display, the content. Brand new car. You have also the rear view camera and the parking system. Down for drive, up for reverse, and this for parking. You have the shift pedals, chrome shift pedals. You can answer the phone. It has also the voice control, the Linguatronic. Here you can cancel the adaptive cruise control. Yes, you can set up the distance. You have a limiter. It's not here anymore, it's on the steering wheel. Looks fantastic. You have the automatic lights, electronic handbrake, folding mirrors. Here you have the seat adjustments, which is also lit up at night. Looks fantastic. You have of course the dimming rear view mirror. You have the control for the panoramic sunroof and the LED lights. This car has all LEDs in the interior and exterior. Sunglass compartment, SOS buttons, Alcantara headliner, and you can see the huge panoramic sunroof. And I really like the AMG logos on the seats, also in the back. Looks fantastic. You can also change the right part of the screen like this. The AMG, tire pressure, lap timer goes on, boost, everything you need. And on the left you have the steering assist, lane assist, parking sensors, the head-up display and the air suspension. And you can also buy it with the night vision. When it touches your knee, it goes back to the original position. And this is the view when you look at the brand new cockpit of the S63 AMG 4Matic Plus. What a lovely interior this is. Mercedes-Benz knows how to make a good looking interior and exterior. Sporty and classy at the same time. You have the storage area, you have two cup holders here separately, and when you remove this, you have storage areas down here. You can also buy it with heated seats in the back. You have also the ambient lighting in the back, and my head is not touching the roof whatsoever, and I'm a fan of this new steering wheel.